friends, welcome. This is Albert Pinto, Goa after lockdown. It's open to tourists. Yes, I have visited the Arambol beach and the Sweet Lake beach on the 15th of November to be precise. And here you can literally see the sunbeds. Most of them are empty. This is the view of Arambol beach. Well, the crowd is hardly anyone there. And it was during the afternoon time I visited, so very few people. The local fishermen there. The view from little far away from the beach, in fact. Well, another view of the beach. Perfect one, beautiful. Well, that's the way to go to the Sweet Lake or the lagoon. View from there. The long range. It's quite walkable distance from the beach to the Sweet Lake. I think it's around 10 minutes. There you are, you can see the rocks, a rare type. Just a hill. Well, few tourists there. That's the way to the Sweet Lake. We almost reached. The sunbeds, most are empty. And that's the Sweet Lake water going into the beach. And there you are. That's the Sweet Lake, the beautiful Sweet Lake. There's the red flag. It means swimming is not allowed. Well, it's beautiful, the Sweet Lake or the lagoon. Mostly you see people taking bath there, but at this moment there were none. We had some tender coconuts, 30 rupees each. Well, very little crowd there. Well friends, thank you for watching my video. Until I come back with another one, well, you take care and see you until next time. Bye bye.